Hello friends, welcome to Sundays with Selma. Today I'm going to prepare sweet potato casserole. Let's get started. We need the following ingredients to begin. Medium size sweet potatoes, 5 numbers, cream cheese, 2 ounces, butter, 4 ounces, heavy cream, half cup, mini marshmallows as needed, sugar, 2 teaspoons, salt, 1 teaspoon, crushed pecans, 1 cup, cooking spray as needed. In a pan, combine sweet potatoes, heavy cream, butter, sugar, and salt. Cover and cook over medium heat. Stirring occasionally for about 20 minutes or until sweet potatoes start to soften. Reduce heat to medium-low and continue cooking for about 20 minutes until potatoes are completely tender. Add cream cheese, add toasted pecans and mix well. Preheat oven to 425. Spray a baking dish with non-stick cooking spray. Transfer to baking dish and top with marshmallows. Place into the oven and bake for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the marshmallow turn golden. Our yummy sweet potato casserole is ready. Serve hot. Our delicious sweet potato casserole is ready. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.